Took a trip down to Target to see if they had anything new for fall in the Dollar Spot Bullseye section. They had a few new pieces that I don't think we saw before. They have a ton of pumpkins because pumpkins say fall. They have a lot of dollar pieces now. So they have those little ones for $1. These I thought were cute. I wish they had a bigger version too though, but $5 for these. And they're not like stiff, but they are like stiff enough to stay together, but not stiff like hard. So they have like that cute look and they look cute together. The colors, these are the two colors that my Target had. They might have more colors. I don't know. These pumpkins I thought were cute, just the fabric they used on those. $3 for those right there. And then they had those in a few colors too. And then they had the smaller version of those too in a bunch of different colors for $1 for those. So you can get, like I said, a lot of pumpkins. They had these candles. I always love Target candles. This brown sugar, $3. Then they have golden hour. And then this one right here and then this one right here. So you can get like a few different scents there. They have these little vases. So this one right here, $3 and it has double handles. And then this one has one handle. I don't know if it's picking up the texture that it has on it, but they do look cute together. So if you have small shelves like mine, those might work. This little pumpkin right here, another dollar one, and then they had that in a few different colors, and it's kind of like that braided with tan type look, like a whole bunch of different looks at the same time, but it has like that look to it. A bunch of cute little gnomes. So they have this one, he's like a little pumpkin. My daughter was like, what's with the rest of his body? I was like, he's a pumpkin. But $3 for him. And then they have this one right here for $3. So they all were $3, but they are different. So they had three different ones at my Target in the dollar spot. But they had a bunch of cute little details on them. They have pillows, of course. This is like kind of like a velvet, but not like a velvet. And then it has the raised wording on it. $5 for that one right there. More cute little pumpkins. And this one kind of had like a corduroy look to it at the same time. And then these are harder, but they still have that velvet fabric on it. $1 for that. And then they have it in a bigger version. Again, $3 for that. So, like I said, a ton of pumpkin options and a lot more $1 options in the dollar spot, the bullseye section. They have them in different shapes. And then these are going to be like a bigger version of the other ones. And they have those in a few different colors. These are $3. And you can see like the handle, like this stump has like a little details on it. This, another little pillow with the details on the outside, $5 for that. And it's like plain on the back and has the pumpkin on the front. And then this like plaid one with the little fringe tassels on the sides, and that one is $5 for that one too. So yeah, you can get a ton of pumpkins and pillows right now. These hats, at first when I saw these in the dollar spot, I thought they were in the wrong place because they had two colors before when I went. I didn't realize they were for the dollar spot, but they are adjustable in the inside and they are $5. Then they have these right here. So these little packing cubes, and you can get those. They had those in a few different colors. They're coming out with a lot more of collapsible type things too, I'm noticing. So $5 for those. And like I said, you can get like a few different prints in those. This one was a 2-pack. So yeah, if you see that, you might want to grab that, especially if you travel a lot and you need stuff to put in there. Socks, all these cute little socks. Some of them had like the cute little lettuce top at the top of it, but they were all $1, and they have cute prints. These are cute for fall. If you're a sock lover, $1 for a pair of socks, not bad. This is not from the dollar section or the dollar spot, but that's the room essentials that you know is at Target. But they do have these spa wrap towels, $5 for those, and they had those in a few different colors. And if you've noticed in like the bullseye section, they have a lot more of those like spa type items. This right here, $3 for this. I think they had more of these before, like other things that went with it, but it's the cleaning knit. These little hair wraps, again, like kind of that spa feel if you have like self-care days and stuff like that. These are cute. They come in a few different colors. $3 for those. This pack of scrunchies, $3 for those right there. They have these trays that kind of have like that rustic distress look to them. $5 for that one. And they have them in another shape. We've saw these before, but I do like them. These are going to be good for travel too, but you can just put your makeup brushes on there. You can clip it together and then have them standing up, or you can just lay it flat. That's why it's good for travel, because you can just pop that in your suitcase and go. These paper laundry baskets, I've been seeing these a lot. So $5 for this, and it folds, it's open, so it's longer than that. They have it in that one, and then they have it like in this brown. So they're made out of paper, They're $5. I don't know how durable they are, but they do have those. The shower curtains, we saw those before too, but just another look at those. $5. So if you're looking for a shower curtain, you might want to check those out. They have like, cute little prints on those. And then this right here, we saw this before, the light up humidifier, $5 for that. And then they have these little trays right here. I feel like the trays might be getting smaller. I don't know if it's in my head, but it has like the cute little handles on it. $5 for that right there, and then they have it in this green too. So both of those colors would be nice for fall, and they might be cute to decorate like for the fall season. With like put some cute little pumpkins in there and stuff. And then this is the other shape for that like rustic like tray. $5 for that. These bags right here, so they like that plastic. They are only $1. And they're like a big little tote bag. So if you're looking for a reusable bag for your groceries and stuff, I don't know how heavy you can put the stuff in there, but it is a big size bag. And like I said, it is only $1. And then they had one of these left over. Remember, we saw these. These come in a pack of 2 for $5, or you can get the large one. We get one in a pack for $5. And then they had these cute little glass decor pumpkins. You can see they had them in a bunch of different colors. The small ones, they had an opening on the bottom, and then I'm like, you can put like a light or something in there, like a little LED candle, the string lights. And then they had the bigger one, and those already have the lights in it, and those are $3. So you can get the dollar one, you can get the $3 one with the lights in it already. But you can make like a whole cute little setup with these, and I just think they're really pretty. And like I said, they come in a bunch of different colors. So if you're looking for some pumpkins, you might want to grab that. More throws, of course, they have this one kind of has like a little chevron kind of print to it, kind of like $5. And then they have some without, but they have like a cozy feel to those. And then just more cute finds. All right, so these candle holders, so they're like for the tapered candles, and you can see it looks like that one has like glass on the bottom, the taller one, but they have different heights, which I think is great because I like when the candles have different heights. And then they have it in green. It looks like the ridge detail goes all the way down on that one. So I just thought that was cute. And then they have the twisted taper candles that you can just pop in there. $3 for the set. And they had those in a few different colors too. So you could make like a whole cute little setup with those. These baskets I thought were so adorable. So if you can see, they're like shaped like a pumpkin, and then it kind of looked like an apple at the same time to me too, though. But $5 for that one right there, and then this one is different. So this one is you can tell it's like an apple. That one was on the fence for me, but $5 for that. One of them swings, one of them doesn't, and then this little shaped guy right here. $3, and it's a Lazy Susan. So I thought that was cute because you can spin that around. And then the wine tumblers. So $5 for those. I think we might have saw these before, but those are cute. They come in a few colors. These you can find these in a few different colors, but they only had that one left, so it's just a canister, a container. $5 for that. More cute fall signs that you can hang up, and it has like a little plaque look. And I don't know if you can see the leaves with different colors in there. $5 for that one. I was looking to see if they had other ones, but they just had that print right there, or detailed right there. These go along with the candles, so you can get the whole little setup, and you can have like the candle wick cutter, and you can have the thing to put it out, and just get all that for a couple of dollars. This sign I thought was cute because those are like little beads, and then it has the pumpkin hanging off of it. $5 for that, not bad at all. And then they have I went back because I was just thought it was so cute, but then they have the tea towel sets. So, they always have the sets for different seasons, different holidays. So these ones are the fall ones, and they're $5. You get two in the pack, and each one is going to be different in the pack. So you get one that print and then one another print. So they had these three styles at my Target dollar spot when I went. So based on how your kitchen looks, I think these will fit in with a lot of different spaces. And then they have these little like trays, but then they kind of look like those rope wall arts that everybody does. So you can use these in a bunch of different ways. $3 for this. So if you wanted to hang it on your wall and do a whole setup, if you wanted to sit it in the middle of your table, you can do that. But they have the cute handles on the side of those. And then this sign I thought was so cute with the plaid print, the welcome. So it's just a cute little pumpkin sign. So $5 for that, and you can hang that up too. It has the little hook on it. So if you're looking for some cute fall stuff, you might want to head over to Target right now.